warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, my students.
Good morning.
Okay, how is your life? How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you. I'm fine, thank you.
Okay, very good. Okay, before we study today, okay, for Rakan, can you lead the prayer, please?
Yes. Attention, please. Are you ready?
Ready.
Let's play together. Start. Finish.
Okay, my students, have you filled the attendance list?
Yes, I have it.
Okay, good. Thank you. Okay. Just to remind you that to protect yourself and others from COVID-19, please remember 3M. Yeah. The first one is
Memakai masker.
okay, memakai masker. Okay, wearing a masker. Number 2,
Menjaga jarak.
menjaga jarak. Okay, social distancing. And the last one?
Mencuci tangan.
Okay, mencuci tangan. Okay, good. Okay, and don't forget to stay at home. The last meeting, we have learned about
Label.
okay, label. Okay, good. Label. What is label? Ada yang masih ingat? Do you still remember what is label?
Label adalah suatu bagian dari produk.
Okay, label adalah suatu bagian dari produk. Okay, good. Okay, we usually find the label, ya. Kita biasanya menemukan label itu kan di sisi atau di balik dari produk tersebut, ya kan? Okay, next. Okay, I will share the material today. Okay, my students, the material today has correlation with our material on the last meeting. So to motivate you in this material, we do this activity in daily activity. So make it easy. Okay, my students. In this material, the first one we are going to look at the picture first. The second one is learn based on PowerPoint slide and the video. Yeah. The last one, you do the exercise on LKPD and do speaking test for evaluation today. Okay. So material today is talking about prosedur text. Ya. Tujuan pembelajaran pada materi hari ini itu ada dua, ya. Mbak Fatin, sebutkan tujuan pembelajaran kita hari ini apa saja?
1. Setelah pembelajaran dan ajaran dan mengamati video, peserta didik dapat menyebutkan struktur teks prosedur melalui tayangan video pembelajaran dengan baik dan benar.
Okay. The second one?
Yang kedua, setelah pembelajaran bahan ajar dan mengamati contoh dari guru, peserta didik dapat menyajikan prosedur teks about resipi secara lisan sesuai dengan bahan-bahan yang dapat ditemukan di rumah dengan baik dan benar.
Okay, good. Okay, jadi kita ada dua tujuan pembelajaran, ya. Okay, next. Actually, I have a Indomie, product Indomie. Have you ever bought this product?
Yes, I have.
Okay.
Yes, I have.
Okay, good. Have you ever consumed this product?
I have. Yes.
Okay, good. If you see this label, you often find the procedure how to cook this product, right? Yeah. Do you make it step by step?
Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Yes, I do.
Okay, good. Okay, in this topic, you will study procedure text. Firstly, in the form of recipe, ya. Okay. Jadi adalah prosedur teks. Next. Procedure text is a text that explains how people make or do something step by step. This text uses temporal conjunction such as first, second, after that, then, next, and finally. Di sini ini ada, ya. First itu apa?
Pertama.
Okay, good. Pertama. Second?
Kedua.
After that,
Setelah itu.
next itu apa? Selanjutnya. And finally,
Terakhir.
yang terakhir. The structure of a procedure text. Ya. Oke. Di sini ada aim or goal or title. Ya. Ada materials, ada steps. Aim atau goal or title itu adalah judul ya, tujuan ya. Jadi tujuan prosedur teks itu bisa dilihat dari judulnya ya. Jadi kalau ini apa? Ini kan tentang mie instan ya, mie instan. Jadi tujuannya atau judulnya apa? How to make
noodle.
Iya, bread noodle. Material itu bahan-bahan ya. Jelas dalam setiap prosedur teks itu ada materialsnya. Steps. Nah, steps itu langkah-langkahnya ya. Pasti dalam membuat suatu produk itu ada langkah-langkahnya. Setiap urutan itu ada. Language features ini adalah ciri-ciri kebahasaan ya dari prosedur teks. Yang pertama adalah imperatif, non-precise, examples, declare, ground peanut, a tight knot, verb of manner, examples tightly, well, truly, ya. Oke. Sebagai contoh di sini, an example of procedure text, how to make iced tea. So far, any question?
Ya.
Okay, no sama. Okay, what is your question?
Adverb of manner itu apa?
Okay, adverb of manner. Okay, good. Jadi adverb of manner ya yang disebutkan di language features of procedure text di sini ya, yaitu keterangan cara memberitahu bagaimana sesuatu itu terjadi ya. Ya, jadi keterangan cara ini biasanya diletakkan setelah kata kerja utama atau setelah objek. Kalau sudah jelas, we continue ya. I have 2 videos and I give the link of video to you, and actually I'm going to divide into 2 groups. Kelompok 1 Nasamah, Dewi, Fatin, Guntur, Aprijal. Terus kelompok 2 Sa, Reja, Siti, Ringgo, Merakan. I give you about 10 minutes to 15 minutes to watch this video and to discuss together with your group. Okay, I will give the link on chat room. Okay, my students, I have given the link of video on chat room. Okay, do it right now. Okay, my students, I think time is up. Okay, for the group 1, have you finished?
Yes, I have.
Okay, group 1, please answer number 1.
What is the text about? This text about text procedure.
Okay, it is about text procedure. Okay, video number 1. It is about procedure. Okay, text. Next, number 2. Okay, for group 1.
The goal of the text is how to make an avocado juice.
Okay, Nasama.
First, mention the steps that mentioned in the video. The steps are: 1. Cut the avocado with the seed. 2. Put some peaches into a blender. 3. Put some ice cups into a blender. 4. Put 2 spoonfuls of sugar. 5. Add some water into a blender. 6. Blend them. 7. If you want to make it tastier, you can put some milk into the glass and put the avocado juice.
Okay. Okay, number 5. Fatin.
When do we put some water? We add some water after we put 2 spoonfuls of sugar. We and some water before we blend them.
Okay, good. Thank you very much for group 1. Okay, give applause for group 1. Next, we continue to group 2. Yeah. Okay, after watching the video, complete the table below. Okay, number 1. What is the text about? Okay, who can answer? Okay, Siti Fadila. Yeah.
What is the text about? It is about procedure text.
Okay, it is a procedure text. Okay, good. It is about a procedure text. Okay. Number 2. Number 2. Siapa? Nisa. Okay, Nisa. Number 2. What is the goal?
The goal of the text is how to make hot coffee. We put hot water after we put 1 tablespoon of coffee into the glass.
Okay, good. Thank you very much for Hello Nisa. Okay, thank you very much that for your tasks for the LKPD, yeah, have finished. Okay, sampai di sini so far. Any question?
No.
Okay, no. Okay. Okay, we continue to assessment. Okay, for the instruction, the first one, make a procedure text about recipe based on the materials or ingredients can be found at your home. Number 2, present the procedure text orally. The last one, record your presentation, then send it to teacher's WhatsApp. Okay, so far any question?
No.
No. Okay.
No.
For this segment, yeah, because we have a limitation of time, so I will wait for your assignment until 5 p.m. Okay, conclusion. Apa kesimpulan yang kita dapat pada pembelajaran kali ini? Ada yang bisa menyampaikan? Oke, Forna sama. Kesimpulannya apa?
Procedure text is a text that explains how people make or do something step by step.
Okay, good. Very good. Okay, the next one. Nisa.
Saya ya, Pak?
Ya.
Kind of procedure text
Ya.
are recipe and manual.
Okay, recipe and manual. Okay, good. The last one. Okay, siapa yang menyampaikan kesimpulan lagi? Rakan?
A sample product text are how to make avocado juice and
Okay.
how to make noodle.
Okay. Contohnya tadi action. Okay, my students, the activities you like most were.
Saya, Pak.
Ya, Nasama.
Waktu mengamati video saat diskusi kelompok.
Oke, waktu mengamati video pada diskusi kelompok. Why? Kenapa?
Karena seru.
Karena seru. Oke, good. Next, number 2. The activities you found most difficult were. Jadi pembelajaran materi yang masih sulit. Apa?
Saya, Pak.
Ya, Herunisa.
Mengambil video saat presentasi tugas.
Oke, mengambil video saat presentasi tugas. Jadi untuk mengambil videonya, ya kalian bisa kalau nanti kalian di rumah, kalian bisa minta tolong dengan orang tua atau kakak atau mbak atau adik. Oke, next
Ya, Pak.
meeting, ya. For the next meeting, we are going to learn about manual, ya, tentang manual tutorial. Masih materi tentang prosedur text. Okay, I think is enough for the lesson today. Okay, please Rakan lead the pray.
Attention please. Are you ready?
Ready.
Let's pray together. Start. Finish. Greeting to our teacher.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you very much for your attention, my students. Okay, see you the next meeting. Bye bye.
Bye.
Okay, goodbye. Bye bye.